This video will be showing how to upgrade device firmware and factory default devices in BioStar 1. To upgrade firmware, first click Firmware Upgrade in the task pane. Select the device type you want to upgrade. Click Select Device. Select the devices you want to upgrade. Click OK. Click Select Firmware. Find the firmware file you want to upgrade to and click OK. Click Upgrade. When the upgrade is complete, your devices will restart. Click Close. Factory defaulting a Suprema reader will put it in DHCP mode and not in server matching mode. This is not the same as resetting the network settings manually on the back of the device. You will need to add readers to BioStar again after factory defaulting them. To factory default a device, go to Option, then Device, and then click on Factory Default. Select the device type you want to factory default, and then click Select Device. Select the devices you want to factory default. Click OK. Click Initialize. Once the process is complete, your devices will restart. Click Close. To learn how to add these devices back into BioStar, please watch our video on adding devices in BioStar 1.